The slope-intercept equation y equals mx plus b is the most user-friendly, student-friendly, and most informative form of the equation of a linear function. This is because in the form y equals mx plus b, we can vividly tell what the slope is and what the y-intercept is. And those two are very important pieces of information regarding the line. We can write the slope-intercept equation from multiple representations of a linear function, including tables, verbal description, point-ordered pairs, mapping diagrams, graphs. Two things are important when writing the equation y equals mx plus b, the slope and the y-intercept. Now, in this video, we are going to write the linear equation provided that we know any 2 points on the line whose equation we are trying to write. Consider that we have a line that passes through 2 points A and B, and the coordinates of these points A and B are given as coordinates of A 4, 3 and coordinates of B 6, 7. We want to write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So, solution. You will recall that when we calculate slope, we use the letter m to stand for slope, and slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The choice of x1 and y1 depends on you. So in this case, my choice of x1 and y1 are coordinates of A, and my choice of x2 and y2 are the coordinates of B. So that the slope is, now I'll replace those letters with numbers. 7 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 4. When I simplify this, the slope is 4 divided by 2, and so the slope is 2. The next thing is to get the y-intercept. So recall that y is equal to mx plus b. Now, I know what m is. I know the slope. I'm going to consider this x to be one of these points that I'm using here. So this is a strategy to find the y-intercept. I'm going to replace the slope. I'm going to replace x with one of these x coordinates that I have for those 2 points there. So let me take the point A, which has small numbers. A is 4, 3. I'm going to use 4 to replace x. And then I don't know what the y-intercept is. I just call it b. And then because I use 4 to replace x, I'll use this 3 to replace y. So I have 3 there. So now I have an equation here that I can isolate b to get the value for my y-intercept. The equation says 3 equals, I do distributive property here, I have 8 plus b. So I will now subtract 8 from each side, and I have b equals negative 5. So now I know the y-intercept is negative 5. So I know the y-intercept and I know the slope. I can now write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So my equation is y equals 2x plus negative 5, which can also be written as y equals 2x minus 5.